Namaskar everyone. I am Mohit, F&B manager, Hotel KC Residency Jammu. Welcome you all to the launch of our 12-day culinary journey, जिसके लिए शेफ यशिता सेलिब्रिटी शेफ यशिता अग्रवाल has come all the way from Delhi with her expert Khansamas. For next 12 days, फलक रिवॉल्विंग रेस्टोरेंट में शेफ यशिता दिल्ली से लेकर के हैदराबाद, जिसमें कि नागपुर की डेलिकेसीज होंगी, आगरा की डेलिकेसीज होंगी, ओल्ड दिल्ली स्टाइल कुकिंग होएगी। ये अगले 12 दिन तक हमारे फलक में सर्व होने वाला है। इसमें बहुत नए आइडियाज के साथ शेफ आई हैं, तो मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करूंगा कि अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिलीज के साथ प्लीज फलक में आएं और इन डेलिकेसीज को एंजॉय करें। फॉर मोर डिटेल्स, डॉक्टर शेफ संजय जम्वाल will please take over.
Yeah, good afternoon, Jammu. As my colleague Mr. Mohit told you about the food festival, which we are organizing from today onwards, from 8th of July, and we have the celebrity chef who has come all the way from Hyderabad, and he is doing a lot of dishes, traditional or high-tech dishes from Delhi as well as from Hyderabad. So we request all the Jammunites, please come here and experience the exotic food of Delhi as well as Hyderabad. And we have curated a very authentic recipes of Delhi and Hyderabad, in which if you want more details, my chef Yashita Agrawal, who has come over here, she will explain more on that. Over to Chef Yashita Agrawal.
Hello Jammu, I am Chef Yashita Agarwal. I have come with curated traditional recipes from Old Delhi and Hyderabad. So this is a very unique experience from the two states which have very rich heritage in food, Hyderabadi Nizami food and Old Delhi Mughlai food. So I would request all the Jammu people to come over and experience this unique amalgamation of Old Delhi and Hyderabad. From Hyderabad, like Hyderabadi Nizami biryani, halim. These are very unique dishes which are not available in other parts of India. And apart from that, from Delhi, I've come up with chole and special mutton korma and many other dishes. So you need to come and explore the menu. The menu is quite vast. So I would love to present it to Jammu people and hope they'll.
And authentic cuisines which are developed in this region, we are trying to incorporate in our menu. Few dishes which are not available in other parts, as Chef Yashita said, like the cuisine from the Nawabs of Hyderabad and cuisine from the Delhi cuisine. That is old Delhi cuisine and the Nawab cuisine of that is influenced by Lucknowi chefs, and these all are available. So we are trying to combine both the cuisines to cater you in one place. It's a vast menu from the drinks, starter, and main course as well as snacks. Few of dishes as Chef Yasika spoke about. There are few dishes. Suppose patthar ki gosht, which is mutton dish. It is authentically cooked on hot stone to keep it very juicy and aroma. And Hyderabadi Nizami biryani and a lot of Hyderabad chicken, and which all are going to cater in these 12 days. So please visit and with your friends and family and enjoy and experience the cuisine. Thank you.
सर एक बार हिंदी में सुना.
हिंदी में सारा. गुड इवनिंग जम्मू. मैं शेफ कौशल, होटल केसी रेसिडेंसी. हमने यहाँ पे फूड फेस्टिवल लगाया हुआ अपने फलक रेस्टोरेंट में, और 8 तारीख जैसे आज से लेकर के 12 दिन के लिए। तो इसमें हम दो जो प्रोमिनेंट कुजीन्स हैं हमारे, हैदराबाद की कुजीन्स एंड दिल्ली की कुजीन्स, जो कि करीब करीब सारे इंडिया को कवर करती है बोथ कुजीन्स। और इसमें बहुत सारी जो डिशेस हैं दैट इज वर्ल्ड फेमस है, इनके नाम से ही पता चल जाता है कि ये वर्ल्ड फेमस डिशेस हैं। तो वो सारी रेसिपीज एंड वो एक जगह पे आपको एक्सपीरियंस करने मिलेगी इन 12 डेज में, राइट फ्रॉम द स्टार्टर एंड राइट फ्रॉम द स्टार्टर, स्नैक्स, मेन कोर्स एज द तंदूरी ब्रेड्स एंड डेजर्ट्स। तो प्लीज आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ आइए और इस 12 दिन के फूड फेस्टिवल का मजा लीजिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।